Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Come with me today to learn about cattle. Bovine, cattle, or cow. What should we call this animal? The word bovine is the scientific term used to describe a species of animals that have been domesticated. Cattle belongs to the group bovine and describes more than one animals in a group. In the case of the animals seen here, adult females of this group who have given birth are called cows. Females who have yet to give birth are called heifers. Adult males of this group are called bulls, regardless of their parental status. Young cattle are called calves. Cattle are a type of domesticated ungulate mammal. That means they are hoofed and they are raised mostly for their meat and milk. Some cattle are also raised for the purpose of draft. That means they are raised for their ability to pull heavy things. Cattle are among the most domesticated animals in the world. Cattle belong to the vertebrate group of mammals. They have big bodies covered in fur, a large head with 2 ears, and, depending on the breed, they may have horns on top of their heads. They are quadrupeds, which means they walk on 4 legs. Cattle are herbivores, which means they eat plants. They have a very unique way of eating. Unlike humans, the stomach of these animals is divided into 4 parts. These parts are called the rumen, the reticulum, the omasum, and finally the abomasum. Food taken in by the animal first goes to the rumen, where it is broken down. Next, the food mixes with the cow's saliva and produces cud in the reticulum. After some time, the cud is regurgitated into the mouth, where it is chewed again and swallowed. When these animals are seen chewing away seemingly all day, they are processing the cud or simply chewing their cuds. Once the food is broken down enough, it enters the omasum, and here is where all the water is removed. It finally enters the abomasum, where the digestion process is completed, much like in a human's body. Here are the 8 main cuts of beef. Chuck refers to the shoulder and is great for making ground meat, beef stew, and pot roasts. Brisket refers to the chest, and this is a great choice for making pot roasts and corned beef. Rib refers to just that, the rib meat. This is used for rib roasts or prime rib and is where the ribeye steak comes from. Plate refers to the meat of the belly. This is where hanger steak, skirt steak, great for making fajitas, and plate short ribs are cut from. Loin refers to the meat from the 13th to the last rib. T-bone steaks, porterhouse steaks, Delmonico, and New York strip steaks are made using this cut of meat. Flank refers to the abdomen, which is tough, so this is best used in marinades and for broiling. Round describe the back end, and these cuts can be used to make Philly cheesesteaks, London broils, and beef jerky. Shank refers to the thigh meat, which is one of the toughest cuts. It is usually used to make ossobuco, a popular Italian dish. Here are some other cuts of meat which tend to be less popular. Tongue is what it describes, is fatty and mild. It is usually braised or pickled. Cheeks refers to the muscles in the face and are usually slowly cooked. Oxtail comes from the tail of the animal and is sold as slices of bone surrounded by meat. It is usually cooked in soups, stews, or shredded for ragu. Neck is similar to oxtail and can be braised or stewed. Heart meat is sometimes chewy. It is usually marinated, pan-seared, or grilled. Liver meat is often sautéed with butter and vegetables. And tripe. Tripe refers to the four sections of the stomach. It is usually stewed, deep fried, and is a popular addition to dimsum. Have you ever wondered how a cow makes milk? Milk is produced by cows in their udders. When food is broken down in the four chambers of the stomach, nutrients and water are absorbed into the bloodstream. They then move around the body, eventually passing through the mammary glands in the udder. Within the udders are special cells that combine sugar from the cow's liver and nutrients from the food to produce milk. Nature is fascinating. So, what do we get from cattle besides meat and milk? Cattle produce a variety of byproducts. This includes, but is not limited to, leather goods, makeup, deodorant, and insulin for diabetics. Cattle is helpful for maintaining topsoil, promoting biodiversity, protecting wildlife habitat, reducing the spread of wildfires, as well as providing natural fertilizer. Moreover, cattle farmers use land that would otherwise remain unproductive to humans. Cows are mammals, and so they give birth to live young. The length of a cow's pregnancy is dependent on many factors, which include the age of the cow, how many times the cow has been pregnant, the gender of the fetus, and the breed of the cow. On average, most breeds have a 283-day gestation period. That means the cow is usually pregnant for 283 days before giving birth. For the purpose of this video, we're going to take a quick look at the life cycle of cattle. Stage 1 shows the calf growing inside its mother. Stage 2 shows the newborn calf. Stage 3 shows the calf growing into adulthood. Once again, adult females are called cows and adult males are called bulls. Here are the top 10 cattle breeds in the United States of America. Black Angus. Black Angus are a popular choice for beef production. Charolais. Charolais are popular in the north because their thick coats make them hardy and more able to withstand harsh weather conditions. They are great for beef production and draft. Hereford. Hereford are popular because they mature quickly, are good mothers, are docile, and have a long life expectancy. Simmental. Simmental are great for milk production, beef production, as well as draft. Red Angus. Red Angus are popular in the southern region of the U.S. because they are very tolerant of heat. They are used for milk and beef production. Texas Longhorn. Texas Longhorn, notable for their long horns that can stretch over 5 feet, are some of the more memorable breeds. They are great for milk and beef production. Geldine. Geldine grow very fast, and this is attractive for farmers. They are a great choice for milk and beef production as well as draft. Holstein cattle. Holstein cattle are the quintessential black and white coloration that most people think about when they think of cattle. They are primarily raised for milk production. Limousin. Limousin breeds are a popular choice in states like Texas. They are great for beef production and draft. Highland cattle. Highland cattle is another popular choice for farmers in colder regions. They are great for beef production. As with all the creatures on this beautiful planet, cattle have their place in the ecosystem. They are important and they have been useful to humans for many years. We need to do our part to ensure that these beautiful creatures are around for many more years to come. We need to take care of the animals and take care of our beautiful earth. Thanks for taking this learning journey with me today. Until next time, happy learning! What is a cow's favorite object in the sky? The moon! As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.